All right, so when we're dealing with something in the eye, if we can't flush it out using our eye wash and eye cups, I've got the foreign object removal kit that has my tweezers, my splinter probe, and then it's also got the eye magnet and eye loop. So that ends the magnet, this ends the loop. In order to use this, I always want to start at the outside corner of the eye, and I can just take this, it's just a piece of fishing line. I can run that right along the eye, and I can extract whatever that item is. I don't want to go from the outside, inside to the outside. I want to start at the outside, come right across, and I'm going to pick up whatever the item is. If I need to pull the eyelid down a little bit to do this, I can do that, or pull the eyelid up to get typically an eyelash, a broken contact lens, a piece of wood fiber. So use the loop side of it for anything non-metallic. Okay, and if I have a metal object in the eye, anything that's magnetic, this is a magnet on the end of it. The whole thing's a magnet all the way down to the shaft. So wherever that metal object is in the eye, all I need to do is touch with the magnet, and that's going to go ahead and extract that fine piece of metal in there. Okay, whether it's here, have your patient look up if you're trying to get something right under the lid. You could sweep this whole thing. Say your eye was full of metal fragments, you can sweep that whole thing. Just try not to touch the pupil. So have your patient look up or look down. I can also come here in the upper part of the eye, and it's going to pull all those little pieces out. So that's the other end of this tool. You have your loop and your magnet.